Hello, this is Computer Basics 2. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use the application called WordPad. Okay, you can find it by going to Start button, left mouse click, All Programs, left mouse click, Accessories, left mouse click, and then down into WordPad there, and left mouse click, and that will open up your window. Okay, this is what it looks like when you first open it. It looks a lot like Notepad, as you can see, but it gives you extra things to do. Okay, we are going to, there's our insertion point up there, so we are going to type in a sentence. Okay, then again we want to, let's say if we want to make this a different font, left mouse click, hold it down and move to your right, and then let it up. Now you're free to move around. Left mouse click on the font, these are where your font is, and this one, as you move it down, see how in the background how it changes. Okay, so we're going to scroll down and we're going to find something that's different. So there you go. If we wanted just one word, we can left mouse click, move to our right, holding it down, go up to here, and then we'll be going down to that one. And click off, and it'll change it, and you can actually see it. Notice how this is darker than the other writing when we first typed it in? That's because it's bolded. If you don't want something bolded, again, select it by left mouse click, go to your right, go up, let it go, then go up. See how it's gold? That means it's actually chosen. Click onto it and it goes back to normal color, and this has, and if you click off this, see how it's not as bolded as what it was. If you want, again, if you want to underline something, let's say we want to underline the word short, left mouse click, go to your right, let it go up here, click on underline, and you see how it's underlined it. Click off, left mouse click off, and you're fine. If we wanted this sentence in the middle, see here, this is what they call your alignment, your horizontal alignments. You can left mouse click and it goes to the center, left mouse click on that one and it goes to the side. If we want, and we'll just put it back. If we wanted to put a tab in, you can do that. These is to bring it in 5 spaces, and that one will take it back 5 spaces. Okay. If we wanted to insert a picture, I'm gonna go up here, left mouse click on the picture. It'll say, okay, what picture do you want to use? I'm using my scroll bar to look, and I'm gonna left mouse click to look for my picture. Okay, see these pictures here? Those are the ones I want. I'm gonna left mouse click twice. That'll open that up, and I'm gonna left mouse click on something and left mouse click on open, and there's our jellyfish. To resize this, you click left mouse click on it. You notice how this gives you handles. What you're going to do is left mouse click and drag it to the left, and it makes it smaller. Highlight it to the icon changes, left mouse click, go to the right, and there you go. When you let it up, it will change. That's it for the rechanging of the size that time. So that's how to insert a picture and how to resize a picture. Let's say, for instance, if we wanted to cut out that is very short, move our insertion point to before that, left mouse click, hold it down to the end, let it up, go up here, cut will make the lettering disappear like that. Up here is your undo and redo keys. See, that's the way we had it, that's the way we cut it. Okay, so you have to be very careful. If we wanted to copy the word sentence, we want to move the insertion point before sentence, left mouse key, hold it down until the sentence is highlighted, go up, left mouse click on the word copy once, click after the word sentence, go up and click on paste, and it'll paste it a second time, as you can see. So that's how you copy and paste. Here's your find and your replace, just like what we covered in Notepad. It just looks a little bit different. If you wanted to find what, you can do A, and then we're going to replace with the word to. Okay, you can do, okay, first you do find, see how it's highlighted, then you can either do replace, which you replace that one. Replace all means it goes through the entire document and replaces every single A with the word to. So if we had two letters, A's, in the document, each one would actually then be switched to the word TWO. But in this example, we just want to replace that one, so we just do replace. And as WordPad went through and searched the rest of the document, it didn't find any more, and that's what this box tells you. You just say okay, and then you can X and it'll close out of it. As you notice, this is two sentence now instead of this is a sentence. It's two sentences. This is two sentence. Okay, that is the very bare basics of using WordPad. Up here, if you want to do the normal file, save, and print, this is what they used to call the file button, or the file tab. Left mouse click. This will give you a new, if you wanted a new sheet. If you want to save as, you click on save as. It'll say where do you want to save it. And again, you go into your directory called Joanne, or your folder called Joanne. And if you left mouse click on the save as type, these are all the different types that you can save things as. If we click on text, it'll bring up stuff that we've done in Notepad. So for this, I'm going to go into do doc.x, and I'm going to go and name it as WordPad. It does not matter if you leave the .docs there or not, or you just wipe the whole thing off and type on in, because the file type will actually save it as the .docs for you. Okay, click on save. And up here on the top, the WordPad.docs has now changed, and now it has saved everything that you've just put in here. If you wanted to print it, do the file, left mouse button, print, click on print, you just choose your printer and go print, and it will actually print it off for you. As we're not doing that, I'm going to press the X. Again, I'm going to left mouse button up here, and you can, here's your exit button, and then you can save. You can start a new document, you can open a document all from here. Save means that you've made a change to this file and you want to save it as that file name. If you make a change to the document and you don't want to save over top of the WordPad.docx, what you do is a file save as, do a file save as, and that one will, and then it'll prompt you for a new file name. Okay, so that's the basics of WordPad. I'm going to close this.